Okay, we've got a 21 plate Landrover Discovery Sport model, and this is how to reset the oil service reminder. You can do this without any special tools, so there's a little bit of a procedure to do this. What you must do is open the bonnet and also the driver's side door. So we have bonnet open, now open the driver's side door, ignition off. So turn ignition on and then immediately press and hold the brake and accelerator pedal. So ignition on by pushing the button, brake and accelerator down, and then just keep an eye on the central display and it will come up service resetting. So keep the pedals pressed down. You can ignore everything else coming on. There we go, service resetting, and then you will see a service complete, service counter reset, and that's it. So you can release the pedals, ignition off, and then start the car again.